comes with a basket full of chicken and a big cold jug of sweet tea. Well, I make a little room and she climbs on up. I open up the drawer and stir a little rust. Just look at her face, she ain't fooling me. She thinks my tractor's sexy. Tilling up the land. She's even kind of crazy about my farmer's tan. She's the only one who really understands what gets you. She thinks my ass is sexy. We run back and forth till we run out of light. Take it to the barn, put it up for the night. Sit and talk with the radio on. She's got a little dream and I ask what it is. She wants a good tone and a yard full of kids. And one more teeny right before I take her home. She thinks my ass is sexy. It really turns her on. She's always staring tractor sexy. She ain't into cars or in pickup trucks, but if it runs like a deer and her eyes light up, she thinks my tractor sexy. It really turns her on. She's always staring at me while I'm trucking along. Tilling up the land. She's even kind of crazy about my farmer's tan. She's the only one who really understands what gets me.